Lena's is a dark mode website template that uses the modern and in fashion hero grid. This is a section that includes multiple images and messages, all within our hero section of our site. As we scroll through the page, we've got a high contrast switch to a light background with multiple images in an asymmetrical offset layout, then back to a striking navy background before bringing it back into white.
This high contrast, alternating theme carries throughout the rest of the homepage, but yet never fails to present its message clearly and efficiently. As we go into additional pages, we can see how this format carries through on subsequent pages, using the bold color palette to outline key messages.
When we switch over to mobile view, we can see this theme carries across with a simple yet effective and bold layout. If you want to make a statement with your hosting or website, the Lena's template could be the ideal starting point.